Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Trello website and then log into your account. So here you can see I am on the Trello website. Now what you can do is select your Trello board. So you have various options. Just click on board, and here you can create your board. So I have already created a board. So here let's tap into that board, and here you can see we have tasks option. So here I'm just going to add a task. So email to my supervisor. So this is a task that I have added over here. All right. So here what you have to do is right click over here. So if you right click, you will get various options, and scroll down and click on add power-ups. And here you can see various power-ups that you can add. So what you can do is click on this search bar, and once you click there, what you have to do is search for card repeater. So here you can see we have this card repeater. Now all you have to do is click on add, and that's it. Your card repeater power up has been added. So now let's go to the task once again. So if you click here you can see our power ups. So now let's just click on the repeat. So if you click on repeat, you'll get another option. So here for this task, what you can do is you can repeat it either weekly or monthly or yearly. So here you can manage the settings. So you can set the time over here. So I want to make this repeat every Thursday. So here let's click on Thursday, and here every week. So once you have set up everything, what you can do is you can play around with these settings as well. So after you have done that, what you can do is just click on save, and your reoccurring tasks will be set up like this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.